Hello, welcome back to Tax Chat with Shirley and Andrea. I'm Shirley Peng with Legal Aid of Nebraska, and Andrea Buckley is here with me from Iowa Legal Aid. We're tax attorneys and also directors of our state's low-income taxpayers clinics.
Today we're talking about filing your 2021 federal income tax return. The IRS began accepting 2021 tax returns on Monday, January 24th.
The IRS is already predicting processing delays. We have some clients that still have not received their 2020 tax refund. The quickest way to get your refund is to file early, file electronically, and use direct deposit. Requesting a paper check slows things down even more.
The filing deadline this year for your federal tax return is Monday, April 18th, 2022. That's because of a holiday in Washington, D.C. However, if you are in Nebraska, your Nebraska return is due April 15th, and your Iowa return is due April 30th.
Before you file your taxes, gather and organize your tax records. Most income is taxable, including unemployment income, refund interest, income from the gig economy, and virtual currencies. To help you avoid errors, wait to file until you have all your tax records, including your W-2s from your employer, various 1099 forms from your independent contracting jobs, banks, issuing agencies, and other payers, including unemployment compensation, dividend distributions from pension, annuity, or retirement plans.
Other documents and records that you need to file include virtual currency transactions, your 1095-A, and documentation from the marketplace if you bought health insurance through the marketplace. You may also receive a letter 6419, which shows if you've received an advanced child tax credit payment and how much those payments were. You should also receive a letter 6475, your 2021 economic impact payment. That will help you determine whether you're eligible to claim the recovery rebate credit. It's important to wait for these letters so you can accurately prepare your return.
If you did not receive any advanced child tax credit payments or received less than the amount you're eligible for, you will claim a credit for the remaining amount of child tax credit on your 2021 tax return. If you received more than the amount you are eligible for, you may need to repay some or all of that excess payment when you file. However, some people may qualify to have the overpayment waived. If you end up with a refund when you file your 2021 tax return, any remaining child tax credit amounts included in that refund may be offset for back taxes or other federal or state debts you might owe.
If you did not receive your $1,400 economic impact payment in March of 2021, you can claim the recovery rebate credit on your 2021 return. The refund amount associated with the recovery rebate credit will not be applied to any federal income tax liability. Likewise, if you did not receive the stimulus payments that were made back in 2020, you can file a 2020 tax return and claim the recovery rebate credit on that return.
After you file, check the status of your refund by going to irs.gov and click on Where's My Refund? The status of your refund will be available within 24 hours after the IRS accepts your e-filed tax return. If you filed a paper return, it could take up to 4 weeks after it's mailed. The Where's My Refund tool updates every 24 hours, usually overnight, so you only need to check once a day.
As a friendly reminder, we do not prepare tax returns, but if you need help preparing your taxes, you can file your own on the IRS website at irs.gov using their free file options. There are a number of commercial software that you can use on their website, and you will be using a free version if you go through the free file option. If you don't feel comfortable doing your own tax returns, you can go to your local VITA site. VITA stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, and it's a program that offers free tax preparation. If you search VITA on the irs.gov website, it will help you find your closest location. Because of the pandemic, please call ahead to make sure they are still operating.
If you know you cannot get your taxes filed on time, you can still request an extension. The extension date is on October 15th, 2022. To request an extension, you can use the free file link to electronically request an automatic tax filing extension. To get the extension, you must estimate your tax liability on the form, and you should also pay any amount due by the deadline of April 18th. If you fail to pay the amount owed to the IRS by that April 18th deadline, then penalties and interest will continue to accrue.
If you have a tax issue, give us a call. If you are outside of Iowa or Nebraska, you can find your local low-income taxpayer clinic on the irs.gov website. Otherwise, if you're an Iowa resident, call Iowa Legal Aid at 1-800-532-1275. If you're a Nebraska resident, call 877-250-2016. Until next time, click like, subscribe, and share. Bye.